Okay traders, in this video I'm going to go over my favorite setups. Okay, now usually I don't use one bar setups. There's nothing wrong with one bar setups. It's just that right now I'm at a point in my career where I just want more confirmation when I'm trading. Okay, usually if I'm trading one bar, is usually the can't close setup, and I'm going to show you guys that later, but that's pretty much it, or the trap setup. But for the most part I'm using even the trap setup, it needs at least 2 bars to set up. Okay, so let's go over my favorite setups that I like, and we go from there. You don't have to use these setups. I have multiple setups you guys can use. If you just only want to use tail bars and solid bars, that's it, then go ahead. I like to use more confirmations, so sometimes I just don't like to use just one bar unless the market is maybe very bullish. I might use one bar setups, or if it's very bearish, but for the most part I would say 99% of the times I'm not using one bar setups. Okay, I'm using a combination of different setups. So let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so even a trap setup. So this is a trap. This is the first setup I love to use. Okay, trap setup. So the whole concept is basically we're waiting for the market to trap somebody. So you see how the market is going up, down, down. Okay, now it's going up and it's going down. You see this red bar right here? Someone tried to go short right here. Now the market is going up. No reason to go short in my opinion. But notice how this bar right here, let me zoom in for you guys that can't see. This bar right here, guys, it can't close below this low right here. So this green bar cannot close below the tail. You see this tail right here? Cannot close below this bar right here. So this is telling me that as soon as price went below it, it can't close. It shot back up. That means that this person is trapped, and most likely we're going to see a continuation. So that's the first bar, and I have more examples in that course. I'm just going over. This is not really a video of me going over the setups. It's just telling you, I'm showing you guys the setups that I use. Right? All these setups that I'm going over right now, you can find in the course. So I'm not going to go over these setups. So let me go to the next. Okay, here's another example right here, guys. Another trap. The market's going down, up, down, up, down. Notice how this green bar, okay, we are basically looking for that pivot. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about right now. The market's going down, up, okay, and it decides to go down right here. The pivot, we're looking for the pivot. We were looking for the market to go up right here. Okay, so whoever goes long right here, any pivot right here, okay. Now we don't want it to be right here because this is the low of the market. We want that continuation to the downside. So the way I like it is I don't want my trap to be right near the bottom, okay, of the swing low, or vice versa. The market's going up, okay. I don't want my trap to be right at the top. I want to be, pretty much when the market is turning, someone's trying to go short right here, they get trapped, and then I have enough space to basically go to the top of the swing. So same thing in this situation right here, guys. We have the market going up, down, up, right? If I go short right here, I still have enough to actually at least catch a 1-to-1. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for someone to go long right here at that turning point, and we're looking for the market we're looking for a candle that can't close. Notice how this green candle can't close above that red candle, right? And basically right here, someone went long right here. You see this green candle? It cannot close above this high of that red candle. You see that high of the red candle right here? It cannot close above that. Again, we even tried again. You see the second one right here? So we even tried again, tried to close above this one, and we can't. So since we can't close above that candle, guys, that's a trap, because they are trapping people that are trying to go long and most likely if it goes break these lows right here, as soon as it breaks this candle right here, the next available candle, I'm getting in. So that's how you get in. So this candle right here went below this candle, one tick or one pip below, boom, I'm in, and I'm looking for profits. Okay, so that's how I'm looking at that. So that's a trap. Again, I have multiple videos about that. Alright, so let's go to the next setup I like to use, which is consolidation breakouts. So let's go. I like any consolidation breakout. Okay, it could be at a key resistance level. So right here we have a resistance right here. Notice how we have a consolidation. Alright, if I'm looking to go short at resistance, this is it right here, to the downside. And that's just one way to, you know, trade consolidation. Another way you can trade it with continuation. So let me show you guys that. So right here, guys, we have the market going down, okay, and then we have this nice channel right here. And then I like this right here. We have this trend line break, but also what we have here, guys, we have this nice consolidation. I love these right here, right? If I'm not sure about the trend line break, I will wait for some type of consolidation after the trend line. So notice how after the trend line break, so notice how it broke the trend line, but it didn't go nowhere. Consolidated a little bit right here, right, and then it broke down. So that's what I like, guys. Okay, notice how again we have a trend line break, consolidation. We have red, green, red, green, red. So pretty much we only need, I would say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row. That's it for a nice consolidation. So nice consolidation right here, guys. Money in the bank right here. So a lot of times when the market breaks out a trend line or a channel or anything like that, you'll see some consolidation right at that breakout a lot of times for that continuation. Again, I have this in the course. So that's what I love. I love these consolidation. It could be at a key level. Remember, our key level is basically this right here. So we're basically looking for either a trade right here at the key level. So let's say price comes here, consolidate right here. I'm looking for that trade to the upside. Now let's say price comes back to this key level right here, guys, and it consolidates. Guess what? I'm looking for that trade to the upside. So I love my consolidation breaks. I love it on the 1 minute chart and the 5 minute chart. So let's go to the next setup that I like to use. Alright, so the next setup that I love to use is can't close setup. When the market can't close below a swing low or a swing high. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. Anytime I see a can't close setup, guys, I love it. I'm in the market right away. So notice how we have the swing low right here, this bar right here, this let me show you right here, this doji bar right here couldn't close below, okay, this swing low right here, right? And then as soon as it can't close below, the next candle, guys, the next candle, let me actually zoom in so you guys can see this candle. You see this candle that went up right here. So let's say that this candle didn't form yet. Okay, let me see if I can change the color so you guys can see. Right, so let's say that this didn't form yet. All we see is this right here. Now, as soon as this bar right here goes above this candle, okay, as soon as it goes above this candle, guys, we are in the market. Okay, and we're looking for the market to continue to go back up. That's it. So that's the can't close setup that I love. Let me show you guys another version. This is another version of the can't close. Basically, we're looking at the swing highs and swing lows. So pretty much the market is going down, up, down, up, down, and went up again. Okay, so let me zoom in. So the market went down, up, down. Okay, notice how this is a swing right here. So let me erase this. This is a swing right here. This is a swing because it went up and then went down. Okay, it's a little swing, but it went down. So basically right here we're looking to see if this candle can't close above this swing right here. Notice that this candle can't close above the swing. As soon as it went below this bar right here, I'm in. So this candle went below this green bar right here, guys. Please look at videos more than once, because I'm tired of people saying I don't know, you know, where exactly to get in. Like, guys, I tell you guys all the time where to get in the videos. It's just that some of you guys are not taking notes, right? All right, so As soon as the bar goes in, goes below this green bar right here, get in. The next available bar. What's the next available bar? The bar that's next to it. Okay, the bar that's next to it, that's in. Okay, get in as soon as you go below that bar, and you look for a quick 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, depending on how the way the market looks like. It looks like you only get a 1-to-1 because it looks like it's just going down in the channel. Okay, so to me, I'll probably just go for a quick 1-to-1 because most likely if it goes hit this bottom, it's probably going to bounce back up. Right now, notice how we have another one. The market went down, up, down, up, down. Notice how we went up again. But this bar right here cannot close above this swing high. Right? I love it. I love it. I love it. We're in downtrend. Right? We're in downtrend. It can't close. We also had a key area right here. Right? Key area, which is that pivot high. Plus, we have a nice trend line. Everything lined up, guys. Can't close. I love it. Take this nice little trade for a nice quick 1-to-1, and I'm out of here. So that's my that's one of my favorite trades, guys. All right. So let's go to the last one. Okay, guys. So the last one is pretty much a volume break, right? So a volume break basically means that the market broke out with a lot of volume. Okay. Notice how we have a nice, solid, decent sized bar. Okay, to the upside. We don't want a small candle at all. We want a nice, decent size, solid too. Okay. Closing at its highs. I usually don't, use this setup that often. Okay, usually I'm in the mood before I see this type of setup, but just in case I do see something, if I'm not too sure and I definitely see a volume break, I'll probably get in. And these are usually good for a quick 1-to-1. So let me show you guys another example. Here's another one, guys, where we have a nice trend line break with a nice volume bar right here. You see this nice red bar closing at its lows. I'll probably get in. Either go for a quick 1-to-1. Now this one has room to go all the way back to the lows, so I might hold it all the way to the lows, but usually I don't really hold these type of candles because pretty much with these candles it moved a lot already. So most likely I'll probably either go for a quick 1-to-1, or if I have enough room to the downside, we have a lot of room to go to the downside, maybe I hold to the lows. Okay, and there's one more I like to do, guys, and it's just pretty much we see a solid bar wipe out another solid bar. So notice how we have this nice red bar, and then we followed by another decent size green bar. When you see that, most likely the market is probably going to continue to go back up. Let me see if I show you guys another example. Alright, guys, here's another example. Notice how we have this red solid bar. We are definitely at a key level right here. Okay, key level, red solid bar. Next bar is a nice bullish solid green bar. Okay, so this solid green bar wiped out the red bar real quick at a key level. I like these setups too. It's pretty good. Okay, so those are my setups, guys. These are setups that I like to use. All right, every single day. I love my trap setups. I love my can't close setups. I love my consolidation setups. Every single day I'm using them. Okay, so again, guys, you don't have to use the same exact setups that I use. I just like to look for more confirmation. That's pretty much where I'm at. Back in the days, I used to just, go straight in right away. Now I'm just more laid back, looking for a confirmation, looking for high quality setups. And I do miss out on certain moves, okay, because I'm waiting for more confirmation. But at the end of the day, I'm still able to trade pretty much almost every single day. So that's about it. See you guys in the next video.